Okay guys, now what we're going to do is model a gas pipeline, which is similar to the liquid pipeline. So I've got the GasMod program loaded up, and it shows you the opening screen, the name of the licensed user and the company and the serial number. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the mypipe001.tot typical pipeline, and it's a 420-mile pipeline, and pipe size starts off with 18 inch, then becomes 16 inch, and all the way down to the end. So the stations are Compton, Dimpton, and Plimpton, 3 stations, and each station got a suction pressure, a discharge pressure, maximum temperature that the pipe can withstand, the suction pressure loss, the discharge pressure loss, and the fuel factor. So this is okay. You say save, close, then we start running the calculation. We'll say 1003. Let's make it 1005 as the case number. We'll append the case number, and we're going to run the calculate compressor fuel consumption, and everything else is unchecked. So go ahead and run it, and shortly you'll see the result of the calculation. Start off with certain initial flow rate, and the final flow rate will be shown here shortly, and that should be coming up anytime here. Oh, there it is. So the final flow rate is 150 million standard cubic feet a day, and we're going to look at the hydraulic gradient, or how the pressure varies, and there it is. Compton to Dimpton, Dimpton to Plimpton, Plimpton to Harvey. So that's the end of the typical simulation. And if you look through the sections, here you got the thermal conductivity data, the location and flow rate data, and then the compressor station data, and the other parameters, and then we showed you the hydraulic gradient. So that's the example. And if you go to help, general help shows you a typical help screen and how you model the graphical pipeline system. So that's available in the user manual as well. So we're going to stop the calculation, exit the model, and that's a typical simulation of this gas pipeline hydraulics.